this is Akanksha Meena, Deputy Editor of Brand Print India, and today I am with Mr. Tyagarajan Iyer, Chief Operating Officer of Digital Print Media Division at Technova, one of the leading companies for print technologies in India. How are you doing today, Mr. Iyer?
I'm good, Akansha.
Thank you so much for joining me here today. And to give you a context of the conversation that we're going to have, we would be discussing the Technova's response to the problem of COVID-19 and where do you see the industry going in the coming months and general future prospects for the sign and graphics industry. So I would like to dive right in and ask you, how did Technova tackle the situation of COVID-19?
I
What
think to
problems did
begin with, uh, I think there's been a huge contraction of the demand
you?
for the first quarter. It's as good as H1 is a washout. Uh,
Hmm.
it's about 20-30% demand coming in. So the industry on the demand side is a washout in H1. Uh, Technova, as all other companies now in this crisis, our focus is on preserving the cash,
Right.
get the balance sheet right. Um, So our entire focus is on getting the accounts receivable through uh, curtailing the entire development for the future uh,
Hmm.
and focus on inventories and get your cash flow right.
Hmm.
Uh, so that's the immediate response to the industry in terms of the pandemic.
Okay.
Okay. Uh, is it going to last? I think this is going to last for another 6 months.
Another
Uh,
6 months.
Another 6 months because the COVID situation itself is not clear. Uh,
Right.
Some say end of 20, some say end of 21. But for the demand to go back to pre-COVID, I would suspect somewhere in the second quarter of 2021.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Our biggest concern is it going to affect the demand and the consumption pattern? Uh, to some extent, yes. Uh, with the e-com taking up, the
Mm-hmm.
whole expenses on the print advertisement uh, would going to get affected. To what extent is something which we are not too sure now, but it's definitely going to have an impact. If you had to look at the advertisement, the entire advertisement in the first H1 of this year has been on the digital media.
Okay.
Advertisement on newspapers, on the displays, they're all severely skewed. There's no new promotion. Events are not happening.
Mm-hmm.
So there's no promotion. So there are no printing.
True.
Whatever printing has happened is more for the safety signs. Majority of the printing has been more to be done on the safety signs. So it's more of a sign industry than real advertisement industry. We got to adapt, and we have been very focused. We are not a big player in the PVC based products. So we are focused on the in shop, which is all the backlights and the stand burners and canvas. So
Mm-hmm.
our focus in future is going to be focused more on the decor industry
Okay.
because we see the canvas industry going up. Uh, we expect the government to come in and help this industry now. 90% of the supplies of the vinyl are imported today. So unless the government comes in with anti-dumping duty on Chinese products and facilitate make in India, that will change the situation in the domestic industry. Indian industry are capable, but the price at which the Chinese are dumping, you would need an anti-dumping duty support.
Okay.
So yeah,
And what kind of demand are you seeing right now? What are people interested in right now?
Currently, the demand is more for getting the whole in-shop branding restarted. With the
Okay.
festival coming in, we
Mm-hmm.
do expect that there would be some resumption in the demand. The contraction, the contraction of demand has been as high as 70 to 80%. So we hope we at least recover 50 to 60% the next 6 months.
Uh,
People are not going to spend on any new technologies. Capital equipment is going to be put on hold.
right.
So the whole expenses is going to be more on the operating print environment. Investment in buying new printers, upgrading the printers, they are going to be severely impacted. So I see some sign of stability coming in 2021.
2021. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
any idea that you can give us when the industry or how the industry can bounce back? What can people do to bounce back and revive some of their business?
Unless consumption improves, branding will be affected.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the print, our industry is dependent on discretionary consumption,
Right.
for promotions.
Definitely. Yes.
So, so discretionary consumption is not happening. You can see the environment in terms of automobiles, mobiles, anything discretionary is not happening. So we got to preserve our cash, hold on to where we are, and look at somewhere in FY 2021.
And what about in terms of technology? There's a lot of people are talking about that sustainable media might, pick up in the future because there's more focus on environmentally friendly and safe printing. So
There
what
is
are
an
your opinions on
there
that?
is an element of trying to go away from PVC.
Yes, true.
Technova has a stream of platforms working on non-PVC media.
Oh,
So currently we are working on getting those stabilized and commercialized. So once we need government support, unless like in states of Karnataka and Kerala, you have a ban on PVC-based media.
right.
If it happens to be all India, Technova will have a solution. Sustainable, PVC-free, yes. The
Okay.
platforms are on design, and we would come in as soon as this ban becomes all India. And of course, we would like to offer these sustainable solutions in the future.
Okay. And what are you working at right now? Is there something that you can share with us? Something that's new developments at Technova?
We are working on sustainable media like fabrics, paper-based media,
Mm-hmm.
PET-based media, non-tear media.
Mm-hmm.
So the entire work is on sustainable media.
Right.
Currently, they are not cheap, and the industry is
Yes.
not ready to pay you a premium.
Mm, yes.
Yeah. Even in states where they are banned, flex and PVC-based media are still used. The real support would come from the industry is when the government imposes a dumping duty from China.
Right.
That would that would change the course of Indian manufacturing of India.
You mentioned that fabric media is not really very affordable right now. So how can uh, how can suppliers encourage their customers to invest in an expensive yet better product?
See, we are in what comes first, Akansha. You need scale to get the cost down. So it's
Yes,
a question of what comes first, right?
true.
And with this pandemic, the industry is not in a position to support the change. If you have to
That,
work on getting the cost down,
mhm.
you need to absorb the cost and look at it as a long-term solution. So currently there is a real squeeze out there on cash. So people would not try to spend too much on change. Yeah. So consumers will have to be ready to spell out a little bit more. And currently the cost difference can be as high as 40-50%.
Right, right.
So what comes first, scale or the change? You need scale to bring down the cost, right?
Definitely. Yes.
And you need to subsidize till you get scale. You know,
Right. Yeah, yeah.
you need to invest in the change. So
No,
is it
definitely.
the environment right now? I don't know. Is it the environment right now to subsidize and hope that the industry changes in the future? So investment, whether it's in for change or whether it's for upgradation, it's all currently boxed in.
True.
So the real turnaround will happen when you see the consumption picking up. People will be ready to pump in money.
Mm-hmm. And that will happen when we are from this pandemic.
I
Maybe.
don't think next 6 months, maybe 2021,
Yeah.
that too not in the first quarter, but maybe second quarter of 2021. We do hope it comes back at least to pre-COVID.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a big impact on this industry in particular.
Definitely, yes. It has caused a huge loss to the industry. And we can only hope that the
Huge.
future is better for everyone.
Yes, yes, you're right. I do hope things
Yeah.
turn around fast.
Is there, I think that was all that I wanted to discuss with you. And thank you so much for being here with me today and giving me these interesting insights about the print industry and also what's happening at Technova. That was very interesting to know. And thank you.
Nice talking to you, Akansha. We hope the industry recovers fast.
Yeah, I hope so
We
too.
get out of
Yeah,
we get out of the COVID as early as we can.
that is the
Be
priority.
safe.
You too. You too.
Yeah, be safe and safety is the best thing to do now.
Yes, great.
Okay,
Thank
thank you.